Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Brian. I've got a few videos that are going to be coming out. Some are out of order. I posted one yesterday that I did about a week and a half before I went away to the Fluid Art Experience. However, I am back. This will probably be your next video that you see from me. I had a blast of a time there. I got to take lessons with Massey Art Studio, Lee and Jeremy. I got to take lessons with Mina. I got to take lessons with Sarah. I got to take lessons with my dear, sweet Kathleen from Cause Creations. I love that woman more than anything else. She is just so sweet. I love them all, but Kathleen just so dear to my heart. So is Mina, so is Sarah, so are the boys. Anyways, I got to make 6 pieces of art, but I could only bring 3 pieces back because the 3 of them were not dry. I felt awful. I hated to leave them behind, but I did. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to create one of my pieces, and I'm going to show you, because this is a piece that I did with Sarah. It's a wrecked ring pour. I like it. I wasn't real fond of it when I poured it, and Sarah can attest to that. But when I let it sit for a while, it grew on me. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a wrecked ring pour using the same colors, or almost the same colors, because I don't have one of them, so I had to substitute. But that's one I did. In Mina's class, I did a traveling ring pour. Got that one there. Really cute. It's a little different than everybody else's, which was really fun. Then our good friend, Krista Rasmussen, who we all get our mix pour from, she took Mina's class and she did a traveling ring pour as well, if I'm not mistaken. And she gifted her piece to me. This one here. Gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. And so I am going to stick a coat of resin on this. I think that'll look really beautiful, and I'll be able to put it back here on my wall or somewhere in my studio or somewhere in my house. I also, during the raffle at the banquet on Friday night, I won a piece from Mina. I do not have it with me because the amount of stuff I had to bring back from the Fluid Art Experience is just nuts. So I just could not take the risk of shipping her painting to my house with me via an airplane. So I just wanted to make sure it was safe. So my good friend Kelly is driving it back. She is coming back. She was out seeing some family and stuff. And so she drove out to see family, and now she's driving back to where she lives, and we're going to make arrangements for me to pick that up. So when I get that piece, I will show that to you. So again, today I am going to do a wrecked ring pour. It was done in Sarah's class. So I will get you down on the canvas. We'll talk about the canvas size. We'll talk about the colors, how much paint we need. All right, I will be right back. All right, so what we've got here today, we have a 20 by 20 canvas. We're gonna need about 14 ounces of paint. You get that by multiplying 20 times 20 divided by 28. You end up with 14.1, something like that. I've got a 16-ounce cup, so I'm probably gonna fill it up all the way to almost to the top, because I always like to have a little extra. The colors I'm going to be using today, and these are the same colors, like I said, that Sarah used, with the exception of one because I didn't have it. So the color I'm using today is Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. We're using DecoArt's 24 karat gold from Americana Decor. So Sarah used vermilion orange, and I am using the Azo orange from Amsterdam. Again, because I did not have vermilion for some reason. I'm using the Amsterdam's titanium white with DecoArt's satin enamels white. And I'm using metallic cobalt blue. Now the reason why I'm doing this is I wanted to do this on a much bigger canvas, and I want to do a little more wrecking than what I did on my piece. So we're gonna slide this out of here. You guys, you know I have 3 dogs. My youngest, Angela, who is gonna be 2 next year, she is gonna be pregnant. She's in heat. My Salvador, my 2-year-old, my almost 3-year-old, has mated with her. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to drizzle a little white here in the bottom. I'm also going to drizzle a little gold. Don't want gold to take over, so I'm going to try to not use a whole lot of gold. All right. I'm going to start off some of the Payne's gray. Might do 3 layers of paint here, we'll see. My paints are mixed with Floetrol and paint only. 6 ounces of Floetrol to 2 ounces of paint. Pouring, and I just don't like to run short. Pretty. Sarah gave us this wonderful chopstick, nice and sturdy. It could actually hurt you if you hit somebody hard enough, to wreck our rings with. So now I have a chopstick, just like our Angie Mason, who likes to say, keep pouring until you're soaring. All right, so today I'm going to start off with a little white in the middle. Start our ring right in the middle of it. So I didn't have a great dismount, so I am gonna and of course I'm gonna wreck it anyway, so I'm gonna thin out my paint spray a little bit. I'm gonna use that as a flow extender.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we. Let's go.
Much better, much better. So this is the composition that I want to hang this. I'm gonna turn it back around so you guys can see. This is the way it was in your direction. This is how I would like to hang it, the way you see it. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna touch up my sides, touch up my edges and corners, and then I'm gonna torch, and then I'll bring you in for a wet result. All right, guys, here is the wet result. Wow, look at that. Just beautiful. And this just proves you cannot recreate the same piece twice. Same colors. I did wreck it differently, so of course it won't come out the same. But you just still can never duplicate something. So no matter what you try to do, you can use the same colors and you will always get a different looking piece. I will bring you in starting up here in the top right. All right, guys, I can't wait for this to dry. I will show you the dried result. I'll be right back. All right, everyone, here's the dried result. Wow, this really came out beautiful. I'm loving this. Now, I want everybody's opinion of this. Should I put a coat of resin on this as a finish, or should I put a coat of Liquitex gloss varnish? This is just beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. I can't say that enough, but I want it to have some shine. So what do you guys think I should do? Let me know in the comments below. I'll bring you in here for a close-up. I just really, really love the lines that this created, the beautiful shapes, how I wrecked it. It just came out great. So, all right, guys, this piece is available for purchase. If you're interested, let me know. You can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. I do appreciate everybody's support. For those who have already subscribed, thank you so very much. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.